Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi Houdini lovers, welcome to GFX Farhan. Friends, I have launched a new course in which you can improve your pyro skills. Let's check the final result. Then I will tell you what you will get to learn in this course. Welcome. I hope you guys like the final result. Let me now tell you what you will get to learn in this course. First, we will do 3D camera tracking. For that, I have used After Effects and Mocha Pro. In Mocha Pro, 3D camera tracking is done very well and very quickly, and the results are very good. It also has FBX export system. Then we will import this tracking data into Houdini and correct the camera scale. To make the fire and smoke match well with the building, we need to create a reference for the building and also preparing a source for our pyro simulation. Then we will study Pyro Solver, where we will discuss disturbance, turbulence, dissipation, micro solvers and sources deeply. Next we will discuss a bonus class where we will learn how to add custom velocity or custom wind to our smoke. And then final part will be rendering in Solaris using Karma. And for compositing, I have used Nuke and After Effects. I will make it in 2 separate videos which will be available on my channel. And if you have some knowledge of Houdini and you only need the project file, not the whole course, then the project file is also available separately. Link available in the description, and the whole course plus project file is also available separately. You can download them separately, but I recommend that watch the course to master your Pyro FX.